Alright guys, I don't know, but we're about to make my dad's alarm go off. He's right there, knocking on that window. We're about to make his alarm go off, so here we go. Alright. Okay, stop! Wait. Okay, he's talking to him.
Move out the way.
You! He's over there! Stop! Alright, well anyway, we're gonna get his reaction. Alright, here we go. All the doors are locked. As you can see, so we're gonna make the alarm go. Okay. Now we gotta open it. I'm so scared. There's Dad. Alright.
Here, I'll video.
Here, give me the phone. He's gonna get. Alright, we're gonna film the reaction when he gets back in the car. We'll be right back. Alright, he's about to get in, guys. Oh shoot. Alright, I'm not gonna film this. He's right there. Alright, hand that.
I didn't do anything.
It was an accident.
Oh, that's cool. So I can just sit your ass in here for 35 more minutes.
For what?
35 more minutes.
Why?
Because I was trying to... I need a password to get the clock to work so I can work it on this and work it on my computer. And y'all are over here setting the truck alarm off.
It was an accident.
That was Hagen.
Everything's an accident. Hey. You and Brandon, you're always freaking annoying.
I'm gonna take a nap. Mom said she doesn't care if we go eat. If you touch my butt, Hagen,
What?
I'm gonna beat the crap out of you.